Hi everybody, this is Ray. We're here in our shop at Car Freaks, and if you've been following our videos along, you noticed that we had the plow truck in. We did some projects on that. We got those all done. I'm sitting here in the thinking chair, and we have another project that we started a long time ago that's just been sitting in the back, and it's time to pull it out, get the dust off it, and do some alterations to it. Had a lot of time to think about it. It's been sitting for at least 2 years, and there's some changes we want to do to it. We're going to build us a rat rod out of a 59 Willys pickup. So we're going to name it the Wild Willys. Hopefully you'll stick around and watch our videos and see all of our segments of it. As we go through, we'll show you what has already been done and what our alterations are, and we'll start off from there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us some likes, give us some comments. We're always wanting to hear what you all are thinking. We got some ideas of some next projects coming up, but let us know what you're thinking, and maybe we'll do one of the projects that you folks are looking at doing. So let's turn over here, and you can see what we got going on. A lot of it is just mocked up, a lot of tack welds here and there. At this point in time, we're thinking small block Chevrolet. We had a square body Chevy that we took the front end out of, and we've put new A-arms and stuff in it. So that's what we're starting out with. We've built our own frame, with the exception of the cross member here with the square body Chevy components on it. But as you can see, it's all original Willys pickup. The top has been cut down 3 inches. It was sectioned and put back together. When we got the truck off the old farm field, the top was all smashed down, and it was so wavy and so bad. Without actually cutting the whole top off and replacing it, it just wasn't going to get very nice. So we decided, heck with it, we'll make a rat rod out of it. So there's a lot of rust, a lot of dents and stuff on it. We do have the doors cut down as well. A little bit of the interior has been saved from what it was. We got a little bit of new stuff we put into it. Obviously it's not finished up yet, but we have plans. We're going to be doing some interior work on it, some new panels for the doors, maybe even a headliner. There's no gauges of any type in it, so it's pretty bare. We're going to be doing some projects on it. As you can see, there's no glass in it either. Do a little bit of work on the doors, but they work. We have a square body short box that we've cut up and made it even shorter and narrower to kind of fit the profile lines of the body. And it's not done. It's been a project we've worked on for probably a couple years off and on, and we get a little bit of time, we'll do something on it, and then things happen and it gets pushed off to the side. We have a GM 10-volt rear end in it. It came out of the same pickup as what the front end piece did, so we decided since we were scrapping it out, it'd be an alright rear end to use. We made a 1,100 mile move with it from North Dakota back to Michigan, and a lot of the tack welds and stuff didn't survive real well. It did a lot of bouncing on the trailer, so there's some stuff we have to redo. The arms being one of the projects that we have to do. I'm thinking about redoing the arms altogether, and instead of going with a hairpin type of ladder bar, I think we're actually going to build some ladder bars more like what a drag car has in them. So that'll be another project, and there's some other stuff to the rear end that we want to clean up and do. As we're coming around here, we saved what used to be the gas door for the original application, and we're actually going to be putting a master disconnect there so we can turn the battery on and off at that point in time there. So we utilize that. Again, this door here, we need to do a lot of work on the inside obviously, but that's future projects, and we're just gonna make a rat rod out of it. It's gonna be a fun project, and we're hoping that you'll follow us through. We have a 700 R4 we're thinking about putting in behind the small block, so it should get some fairly decent mileage when we're done. It should cruise at a relatively low RPM, and we have a fairly stock looking front end that we put on it. As you can see, we've stretched the fenders a little bit, and we've stretched the boom tube headers a little bit. It's just an idea that we're thinking about. It kind of seemed to give us a lot of room around things like the steering and whatnot, and the frame if we were to go up over things like that. Obviously you can see we need to do some work on the front headlight buckets, and we need to put a bumper and whatnot on the front of it. So we have a lot of work to do. We'll probably be cutting our own glass and whatnot for it. So this particular body has a lot of flat glass, so it'll be fairly easy, as you can get with safety glass anyway. We're thinking about running it without the hood. We think showing the engine off like that would be kind of cool. But give us some thoughts and see what you like. I do have the hood for it. If we wanted to put the hood on it, we could. We have the front end and whatnot is going to be all taken apart. We're going to pull it all the way down to the actual frame, because I have some more fabricating we have to do to the frame. So the body is going to come off, the motor's going to come out, and we'll actually put the frame up on some rotisseries, and we'll be turning it, forwards and backwards and whatnot, and doing some more welding and whatnot to it. So we're hoping that you'll stick around and watch our segments, and we'll go from there. It's going to be a fun project. So we're anxious to get on it. We don't know about the wheels. We're thinking maybe the wheels will be changed out, but it's just an old set that we had. They look nice. They got the wide tires on the back, but they're pretty much shot. And I don't know. We'll see. Maybe we'll just paint them in all black and let the wheels just kind of dissipate, so you're not seeing them that much with the tire. Just let them blend in. And we don't really know what color we're going to do with it yet. We were thinking red frame with maybe a flat black, and so we're not sure. The orange color really doesn't appeal to me that well, nor does the gray primer. So I don't know. Post some comments. Let's hear what you got to think. Maybe we'll come up with a different idea, or maybe we'll use one of your ideas. So let us know what you're thinking. So this is the end of this message, or this video. We'll catch you on the next one. See ya.